Hey y'all, welcome back to Sam's Mercantile, your go-to spot for all things design, printing, and growing your small business. If you're thinking about starting your own custom merchandise shop or you've just gotten started, I've got some really important stuff to talk about today. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 7 mistakes that can absolutely crush your chances of success if you're not careful. These are things I've seen time and time again from new business owners, and trust me, you don't want to make them yourself. Whether you're selling custom t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, or anything in between, these mistakes will trip you up faster than you can say print on demand. So, let's dive in. All right, let's start with mistake number 1, not defining your niche. This is probably the most common mistake I see, and it's one of the easiest to fix. When you're starting out, it might seem like a good idea to cast a wide net, offer a little bit of everything, and appeal to as many people as possible, right? Wrong. The reality is, if you try to be everything to everyone, you'll end up being nothing to no one. The key to standing out in the custom merchandise world is carving out a niche. Whether it's custom t-shirts for dog lovers, inspirational quotes for yoga fans, or hilarious coffee mugs for office workers, you need to focus. Not only does this make it easier to create designs that resonate with your audience, but it also helps you market your products more effectively. The more specific you can get with your niche, the better chance you have of building a loyal customer base. So, take some time to think about your interests and passions. Who do you want to serve? Find that audience and tailor your products to them. This is your starting point. Next up, mistake number 2, skipping over quality control. Look, you might be super excited to get your products out there, but cutting corners on quality is a recipe for disaster. Poorly printed shirts, crooked designs, and faded prints are a huge turnoff for customers. If your products don't meet a certain standard, you're not going to get repeat business. And worse, you could get bad reviews, which can tank your reputation. Trust me, no one wants to deal with angry customers who are sending items back or leaving 1-star reviews. So, before you start selling your products, make sure you've done a thorough quality check. This means testing your designs on various fabrics, checking print quality, and making sure that the final product is exactly what your customers expect. You don't need to get crazy with it, but a little attention to detail goes a long way. Moving on to mistake number 3, neglecting customer service. This one can't be overstated. If you don't take care of your customers, they're not going to take care of you. Customer service is more than just answering emails. It's about creating an experience for your customers that leaves them feeling valued. Imagine this. A customer receives their custom t-shirt, but it doesn't fit right or has a small issue with the design. If you don't respond quickly and offer solutions, guess what? They're going to be disappointed, and they're probably never going to buy from you again. Worse, they could share their bad experience online, hurting your reputation. Respond quickly to inquiries, offer clear communication, and always aim to resolve problems swiftly. It's not just about making a sale, it's about building relationships that turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your products and share them on social media, so go above and beyond to keep them happy. All right, let's talk about mistake number 4, ignoring pricing strategy. This is a tricky one because as a small business owner, you want to offer competitive prices, but at the same time, you need to make sure you're not underpricing your products. Undervaluing your merchandise might seem like a good idea to get sales, but it'll hurt you in the long run. If you're constantly underpricing your shirts or mugs, you won't make enough profit to reinvest into your business. On the flip side, overpricing can drive potential customers away. So how do you find the sweet spot? Do your research. Look at what other businesses in your niche are charging and figure out how your products compare in terms of quality. Also, remember to factor in all of your expenses, materials, printing, shipping, and any other overhead costs when setting your prices. You want to make sure you're covering your costs and still making a profit. And don't be afraid to raise prices as your business grows and your brand gains recognition. Pricing is a balancing act, but it's a crucial part of your success. Now, let's dive into mistake number 5, not investing in marketing. If you think people are just going to stumble upon your custom merchandise shop without any effort on your part, think again. Marketing is crucial to growing your business. And no, posting once a week on Instagram isn't going to cut it. You need to actively engage with your audience, create content that connects with them, and use advertising strategically to get the word out. Social media marketing, email campaigns, and even influencer partnerships can go a long way in getting your brand noticed. Be consistent and make sure you're always thinking about ways to attract new customers. Don't rely on luck. Make marketing a priority if you want your business to thrive. Mistake number 6, failing to track your finances. Oh boy, this one is huge. As a small business owner, you're probably wearing a lot of hats, and sometimes it's easy to overlook the financial side of things. But trust me, not keeping track of your finances will lead to serious trouble down the line. You need to know exactly how much money is coming in and going out. Track every penny, from sales to expenses to taxes, and make sure you're budgeting properly. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to make this process easier. And if you're not comfortable with finances, don't hesitate to hire a professional. The last thing you want is to be blindsided by a tax bill or discover that you've been losing money without even realizing it. Stay on top of your numbers, and you'll be able to make smarter business decisions. Finally, mistake number 7, not offering a great user experience on your website. Your website is your virtual storefront, and if it's confusing or hard to navigate, you're going to lose sales. Imagine walking into a store and everything is a mess. Products are hard to find, the checkout process is a nightmare, and you can't even get customer service to help. You'd walk out, right? Well, the same applies to your website. Make sure it's easy for customers to browse, select products, and check out. Keep your website design clean, your product descriptions clear, and your checkout process as simple as possible. If you're using an e-commerce platform like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce, make sure you take full advantage of their features like custom branding and easy payment options. Also, optimize your site for mobile use, because if it's not mobile friendly, you're missing out on a ton of potential sales. All right, there you have it. 7 mistakes to avoid when starting your custom merchandise shop. Avoiding these pitfalls will save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. The key is to take a step back, plan carefully, and be mindful of your business every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with any questions or additional tips you might have. I'd love to hear about your experiences and how you're building your own custom merchandise business. Thanks for watching, and remember, your success is in the details, so keep focusing on them. I'll see you on the next one.